Hello everybody and welcome back to another Paddy's Adventure. So today we're actually going to finish the belt job. We're going to get them installed. We're going to get the blades on. Start mowing. I actually mowed as soon as I finished. I want to try something a little different with y'all this week. I don't know how it's going to go. I guess y'all can let me know down in the comments. But I'm going to start telling a joke. I'll tell the joke at the beginning of the video, give you the video to think about it. And then I'll tell you the joke and give you the answer at the end. So this week, let's go with, what is a skeleton's favorite snack? Alright, so that's it. What's a skeleton's favorite snack? I'll answer that at the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Well, that took longer than it should have. I went everywhere except where I should have gone in the first place. Tried Lowe's, tried Home Depot, tried Tractor Supply. No, local mower shop on the other side of town, which is why I didn't go there, but it's whatever. I got what I needed. I got mulching blades. I got my belts. I'm gonna do my blades first and this belt so that we can just take a little break. I have the GoPro charging as well, so that's kind of my excuse for that as well, because all you need is really that camera view. So we're gonna get this done and then I'll put the other belts on afterwards. Alright everybody, that was the end of this project. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So, the answer to the question, what is a skeleton's favorite snack? The answer, spare ribs. I'm sorry, most of them are going to be very bad jokes. Those are my favorite kind of jokes. They're the quickest. They're usually stupid funny, which is what usually makes you laugh. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for joining us for another Valdez Venture. I hope you all join us next time. And I hope you all have a blessed day.